Watu wangu ni ajeni, carrot cake, no frosting, no brown sugar, and it still came out like this. Stick around and you're going to want this recipe. We start with our grated carrots and sugar, mix and let it rest for a few minutes. The sugar is pulling natural moisture out of the carrots. That's what makes the cake soft. Trust the process. While that rests, sieve your flour, cinnamon, nutmeg, baking powder and salt in a separate bowl. Sieve it watu wangu. Lumps free, no shortcuts. Back to our carrots. Eggs go in one at a time, not all at once, one at a time. You're not in a Monday morning rush. Now add in your oil and mix it in. Not after the dry ingredients like me. Add it while you're adding your wet ingredients. So oil goes in before flour. This keeps everything in the wet mixture together before we bring in the dry ingredients. Don't skip this step. Then fold in your dry ingredients. Fold, not beat, not aggressive stir. Fold. Light hands. We want a soft cake, not a brick. Pour into your greased lined tin. I know you'll ask yourself, you're telling us to line and you have not lined yours. For the aluminium ones, you have to line. Make sure it's lined or the cake will stick and the whole mood will change. Then chocolate chips on the top. I know the carrots are doing the healthy thing, but just let the chocolate chips have some fun kindly. 180 degrees for 1 hour, 1 hour 30 minutes max, depending on the quantity. Then while we wait, for my health concerns, watu wangu, swipe sugar for honey or coconut sugar. Use whole meat flour for more fiber and add crushed walnuts or flax seeds into the batter. That's omega-3 showing up quietly like they were invited. 1 hour later, look at this, those chocolate chips on top, and when you slice it, look at that crumb. You can see the carrot, you can see the texture, no frosting. I even didn't need it. Full recipe in the description box. Drop a carrot if you're making this homemade, fresh and flavor food. See you on the next one.